Okay, it's the 10th of July today, so let's have a look at the Ftse. Okay, so first thing from last week is I said really I was looking for some weakness to come into this market, getting a pullback into at least the 6420 levels, which are right here. This was the reason for it, the high here. That's where the market came down to on the 6th of July, fell down, and then it has bounced off of it. Now, for me, last week, really, what we did was we had the pin bar, then we had a doji, another doji candle here, and then we had this update on the Friday. Now, the Friday's update came on the back of non-farm payroll, and better than expected numbers coming out of America. The release was 1:30 right here. We can see the trading day before that, how quiet it was, and then the market puts in its strong rally. So for me, with news releases, I tend not to pay too much attention to them, to be honest. I like to see how the market reacts after the news release. So, non-farm payroll was the Friday, we had the update. I'm more interested to see now how Monday reacts, and rather than paying attention to this. So going into next week, really what I'm looking at, I'm fairly neutral on the market right now. Until it starts giving me more clues. You just need to analyze it as the week progresses. Sorry, we have lots of very strong areas up above of resistance, and up here is a very strong level. Also ties in with the double top, which caused the very, very extreme sell-off right here. So really, yeah, I'm going into this market looking to both buy and sell. Happier to look for longer running positions with sell positions as long as we stay below these levels right here. As long as the market doesn't start closing up here on the daily time frame and then accepting up here on the daily time frame. But thus far all we've done is had a very, very small retrace back in 23.6% on the Fibonacci from this move. It's not been a very strong retrace. However, it is the first management point that I went over that, at a minimum where the market would come back to. So next week, I'm just going to be watching up here, seeing how the market reacts, and then watching down below to see if the market, if it does come back down and start to retest it, if it can start to accept coming through. Really, the strongest areas for the retrace, you're coming all the way down into the 6220 levels once again. Okay, so let's see how we get on next week, and then we'll come back at the weekend and go over what the Ftse did and what it has told us.